Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2020 Ram 1500 that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the unit today, just show you some of the features that this truck has to offer. Now this specific Ram 1500 has been accessorized by our parts and service teams. So you do have some upgraded tires, rims there. You can see you have a set of fuel rims equipped on the truck, as well as some upgraded tires. You also do have an aftermarket exhaust system equipped on the truck as well. So great sounding accessory included there. Some of the features that were included, you do have, of course, your backup camera, your rear park sensor, so you can see your sensors there across that back bumper. Coming around towards the passenger side, you also do have your fender flares equipped on the truck, running boards. So tons of great accessories packed into this Ram 1500. Just to check out some of the features inside. So this unit is the crew cab style, so you get plenty of interior space both in terms of front and back. So you can see in that back seat there's plenty of legroom back there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. You do have your rubber floor mats included front and back, so again another great little accessory included there. The seats themselves are a leather seat, so offer plenty of comfort for you and your passengers. Up top you do have your dual pane sunroof. In that back seat, you do have a few media ports back there, again, just to kind of keep your passengers' devices charged up well on the go. Up front, you do have the very user-friendly touchscreen display here. The 12-inch touchscreen in this one. So tons of great features packed in here. You do, of course, have access to your audio media controls, your climate controls. So you have your heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel. Some of the apps that are included in there, your navigation option, Bluetooth capabilities, and you can access your backup camera there as well. To either side of the screen, you again have access to just your basic climate controls, audio media controls in through there as well. Some media ports in your center console area. You do have your push button start in behind, as you can see there, the key fob for the unit here, remote starts included. Your steering wheel mount control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options on there, your Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities. In behind the steering wheel you do have access to your audio media controls, so you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. You do have all your power windows, locks, and side mirrors. But if you're looking for a step up in your next truck, this could be a great option for you. With the added accessories from our parts and service team and all the features that are included in the truck, it's a great looking ride. All the features that you need to stay comfortable, entertained while on the go, and give you the dependable vehicle you need for your everyday commute. If you have any other questions about this truck, please feel free to give us a call at 780-826-2999.